Hello, it's Cryptobit, your go-to channel for all things related to cryptocurrencies. And welcome to this video about the latest AI language model, Chat GPT4. As you may know, Chat GPT4 was recently released and has been causing quite a buzz in the AI community. In this video, we'll be discussing what Chat GPT4 can do, its new features, and how it compares to its predecessor, Chat GPT3. Chat GPT4 is the most advanced language model developed by OpenAI to date. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text, which has enabled it to understand and generate natural language text like never before. One of the most significant improvements of Chat GPT4 over its previous versions is its ability to generate up to 25,000 words of text, which is 8 times more than Chat GPT3. Additionally, it can understand images and express logical ideas about them. This means that it can recognize objects and their properties, and use that information to generate text. One of the most exciting things about Chat GPT4 is its potential for use in education. It can teach a wide range of subjects and provide personalized learning experiences for students. Imagine having a personal math tutor with unlimited time and patience. Chat GPT4 can make that a reality. But that's not all. Chat GPT4 is also capable of collaborating with users on creative and technical writing tasks. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Its improved ability to understand context and generate text that is consistent with the input text makes it a powerful tool for content creators and marketers. While Chat GPT4 is a remarkable AI language model, it's not without its limitations. One significant limitation is its inability to understand and generate emotional content accurately. This means that while it can generate text that is consistent with the input text, it may not be able to capture the emotional tone of the text accurately. Another limitation of Chat GPT4 is its potential for misuse. As with any AI technology, it's essential to ensure that it's being used ethically and responsibly. The development team at OpenAI has taken steps to ensure that Chat GPT4 is being used for positive purposes, but it's up to users to be responsible and ethical in their use of the technology. Despite its limitations, Chat GPT4 has some impressive new features that make it an incredibly powerful tool. One of these features is its improved ability to handle large amounts of text. Chat GPT4 can generate and summarize long articles quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for content creators and researchers. Another exciting feature of Chat GPT4 is its ability to understand images. This means that it can recognize objects and their properties and generate text that is consistent with the image. This feature has many potential applications, including image captioning and content generation. Chat GPT4 is also capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including language translation, summarization, and question answering. Its advanced language capabilities mean that it can generate text that is natural sounding and contextually relevant. In conclusion, Chat GPT4 is a significant advancement in AI language models. While it has some limitations, its new features and improved capabilities make it a valuable tool for content creators, researchers, and educators. As with any new technology, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly to ensure that its benefits are maximized while minimizing any potential negative impacts. Chat GPT4 is just the latest advancement in a rapidly evolving field of AI language models. With each new model comes the potential for new applications and advancements in AI technology. As more data is collected and more advanced algorithms are developed, we can expect to see even more impressive AI language models in the future. One area where AI language models like Chat GPT4 have the potential to make a significant impact is in healthcare. AI language models can analyze large amounts of medical data quickly and efficiently, enabling doctors to make more accurate diagnoses and develop more effective treatment plans. This has the potential to save lives and improve the quality of life for millions of people. Another area where AI language models can make a difference is in the fight against climate change. By analyzing large amounts of data about weather patterns and climate change, AI language models can help researchers develop more accurate models of climate change and its impacts. This information can then be used to develop more effective strategies for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating the effects of climate change. As AI language models become more advanced and capable, it's essential to ensure that they're being developed and used ethically and responsibly. This includes ensuring that the models are transparent and explainable, so that users can understand how they work and how they arrived at their conclusions. It also means developing safeguards to prevent the misuse of AI language models, such as the generation of fake news or propaganda. In conclusion, ChatGPT4 is an exciting development in the field of AI language models. Its advanced capabilities and potential applications make it a valuable tool for researchers, educators, and content creators. However, it's important to remember that AI technology is still in its infancy, and there's much more to be learned about its capabilities and limitations. By continuing to develop and use AI language models responsibly, we can ensure that these powerful tools are used for the greater good and have a positive impact on society. We hope that viewers found this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cryptobit for more videos on the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence. We look forward to continuing the conversation about the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our world. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.